Daphne is one of our 3 co-workers that is showcased in our upcoming campaign. So maybe you can start by just telling us a little bit about yourself.
I've been with IKEA for 25 years. I started in 1998, and when I started, I was working in the living room department where I stayed for close to a year. Then I moved to IKEA Business. I had my first baby, left for my maternity leave. And when I came back, I had the great opportunity to join our PNC team. And I had another baby. After I came back, I was offered a position with our customer after sales department, where it was a great opportunity to know everything that I needed to know about IKEA, right? And how to serve better our customers and all the experience we can get there. Because after 5 years in customer service, I guess anyone can work anywhere in the store, which is what I did. So I went back to my love, which was sales, and I've been in sales ever since.
What inspired you to move to Halifax and take on the challenge of opening a new store?
The life in Montreal is all about speed, rapidity of execution, the business, the people, and it's very, very fast. And I, for myself, I lived far enough from the store where I was traveling 2 hours in the morning to get to work and another 2 hours at night. And I figured, like, this is not life. It can't continue this way. My children were getting older and my family life took another spin. So I decided to join because I felt like as a mom, spending 45 minutes a day with my kids was not enough. So I took the challenge, which was a huge challenge, to leave them for 18 months, plan, implement, and started this new journey without them to now enjoying every minute of my family life because I traveled 12 minutes door to door. I've learned a lot. I really learned a lot about myself, about the work, about the family life, and now it's a great balance of everything.
If you could share any piece of advice to a coworker looking to kind of really grow with IKEA.
Someone told me, and that was last year, they told me the worst thing that can happen is that you know about it and you know it's not for you. So now, for every opportunity, no matter how much I'm afraid of it, I have to say yes, because so far, IKEA hasn't disappointed me. So yes, you don't know, but yes, you'll learn. Like now, there's no. It's always yes. Well, as long as it sticks to my values, I'll say yes.
Yeah,
Unless I really learned too late. But now I share this with anyone.
Yeah, well, it's never too late.
Well, no, of course
never
not.
too
I
late.
still have 25 years to go.
Exactly, another 25.